Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download label templates from Brother PTouch. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To download label templates from Brother PTouch, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to the official Brother website. In the search bar, type PTouch label templates and hit enter. Look for the link that directs you to the PTouch category. Select the appropriate PTouch model you own. Once on your models page, locate the download section. Here, you will find various resources, including templates. Click on the templates link to access the available downloads. Browse through the list of label templates provided. Choose a template that suits your needs. Click on the download button next to the selected template. Your browser will prompt you to save the file. Choose a location on your computer to save the template file. After the download is complete, navigate to the saved location. Double-click the downloaded file to open it. Follow any on-screen instructions to install or access the template. Once installed, you can customize the template using the Brother software. Save your changes and you are ready to print your labels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.